Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can remove reposts on threads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. Now first of all, open up your threads application on your device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to its timeline page of your account. And now on your profile's timeline, find a post or thread you want to repost. And after that, simply tap over on two arrows icon at the bottom of the post beside share button. Now once you have done it, go over to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and you'll be able to see all of your reposts here. Here just select your repost you want to remove, and then two arrow icon on the bottom of the post, and once you tap on it, the repost will be removed from your profile. And that's how you can remove reposts on threads. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.